To tell the truth, Ford wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle's wheels are actually fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the weight of the vehicle is not placed on any Ford wheel spacers that are installed. Generally, hub-centered wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centered ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection and the lug bolt can hold it flush against the mounting plate. These Ford wheel spacers allow the wheel to better support the weight of the vehicle and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing a minimum change of vibration. Quality Ford wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Ford wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centered Ford wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centered metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Ford wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centered Ford wheel spacers will effectively reduce the change of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling Ford wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Ford wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling Ford wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.